All right, so my pumpkin is dry and I'm going to go ahead and add some quick details. I'm going to take an oil pastel and just kind of outline the outside of the shape of my pumpkin first. Going around the outside carefully, taking our time because we worked so hard on this painting. You can even rub back and forth to make the line a little bit darker. And you can also go around the outside of your stem as well. Now let's pick another color to draw in the bumps of our pumpkin that we kind of lost when we painted over them. I think I might use red for this one. Okay, so here's my red oil pastel. Let's start with the line that goes through the center of our pumpkin from the top to the bottom. Now let's add the bumps on either side. Here is my pumpkin with its bumps. You can also add some lines inside the stem of your pumpkin to add some texture. That means that the stem might look rough and bumpy instead of smooth and flat. The next step is up to you. If it's getting close to Halloween and you would like to add a face, feel free to grab some white and black paper and cut out some shapes for eyes and maybe even a super friendly or spooky smile. Let's fast forward and see how my face turned out. Okay, so I cut out some white circles for the eyes, and then I cut out some white triangles for teeth and used oil pastels to add more details as well. I also cut out a triangle that was black to show like a hole was cut out for a nose shape. Next time, let's use our inspiration from Vincent van Gogh and the Starry Night to make the background even more spectacular. I'll see you then. Love, your cozy art teacher.